You may believe that cloudy vision is simply part of growing older, that after 60, your eyes must dim and blur until surgery is the only hope. But what if I told you that this belief is one of the biggest lies ever sold to seniors? As a doctor who has spent decades studying eye health, I can tell you this truth. Cataracts are not an inevitable part of aging. They are the result of oxidative stress, poor nutrition, and silent damage that builds up over time. And the most powerful medicine to prevent and even reverse early cataracts is not a pill or a procedure, but a handful of natural fruits that you may already have in your kitchen right now. For years, the medical system has told us to wait until our vision becomes bad enough for surgery. Meanwhile, researchers have quietly uncovered evidence that nature already provides the nutrients capable of dissolving early lens, clouding, and restoring brightness to aging eyes. These findings are not folklore. They are backed by real studies and by the remarkable recoveries of patients who changed nothing but the fruits they ate. In this video, I will reveal 7 extraordinary fruits proven to protect and even repair your eyes, ranked from helpful to absolutely life-changing. The number 1 fruit on this list has been shown to improve lens clarity by measurable degrees in just a few months. Stay with me until the end, because you deserve to see the world clearly again. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another senior health tip made just for you. And if you find this video valuable, type 1 in the comments. If you want me to cover other vision topics like glaucoma or macular degeneration, type 0 and tell me which condition worries you most. Now, let us start with a fruit so common that most people underestimate its power. 1. Apples. The daily defender of clear vision. The humble apple has been a symbol of health for centuries. But modern science has now confirmed that it can also guard your eyesight. Inside the skin of every apple is a compound called quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that protects the delicate proteins inside your eye's lens from oxidative stress. When those proteins are damaged, they clump together and create the cloudy film that defines cataracts. Quercetin acts like a shield, preventing those proteins from hardening and turning opaque. A long-term nutrition study observed hundreds of adults over several years and found that people who ate 1 apple with the skin each day had a significantly lower risk of developing cataracts compared to those who rarely consumed. Apples, red varieties, especially Red Delicious and Gala, contain the most quercetin. The secret is to eat the apple whole, with the peel intact, and to chew slowly so that the nutrients are fully released. One of my patients, Michael, a 58-year-old accountant, noticed halos around headlights and difficulty reading fine print. Instead of rushing to surgery, he began eating 1 organic red apple every morning on an empty stomach. Within 4 months, his night vision improved, and his eye doctor noted that his lens clarity had stabilized. Apples may look ordinary, but their protection is extraordinary. And if you think apples are impressive, wait until you hear about the tiny fruit that multiplies those benefits several times over. 2. Grapes. The micro shield for your lens. Grapes, especially the red and purple kinds, are packed with anthocyanins and resveratrol, 2 compounds that fight oxidative stress on multiple fronts. Anthocyanins neutralize free radicals that damage lens proteins, while resveratrol activates genes that strengthen your body's own antioxidant defense. Together, they act like internal sunglasses, protecting the transparent layers of your eyes from damage caused by light. Pollution. in time. In a large health survey that tracked adults over a decade, those who consumed even half a cup of grapes daily had far less lens clouding as they aged. The darker the grape, the more potent its protective compounds. Concord grapes and red grapes top the list, while green grapes, though healthy, offer less protection. For the best results, eat the grapes with the seeds, because the seeds contain oligomeric proanthocyanidins, which strengthen the tiny blood vessels that feed your lens. A retired teacher named Maria used to love reading mystery novels, but her vision had become cloudy from cataracts. Her nutritionist advised her to eat a small bowl of frozen Concord grapes every afternoon. After 6 months, her ophthalmologist found that the progression of her cataracts had stopped entirely, and her lens transparency had even improved slightly. She never needed surgery and continues her grape ritual to this day. If grapes can stop progression, the next fruit can do something even more remarkable. It can help reverse damage already done. 3. Papaya, the natural lens cleanser. Papaya is rich in an enzyme called papain that helps dissolve damaged proteins, including those that cloud the lens. Unlike most fruits that only prevent damage, papaya has been shown to actually reduce existing opacity in early cataracts. Think of papain as a gentle cleanser that breaks down what no longer belongs in your eyes. A clinical observation in Asia followed patients who ate 1 cup of ripe papaya daily for half a year. Nearly half of them showed measurable improvement in lens clarity. The key is to eat papaya when it is perfectly ripe yellow-orange and soft to the touch, but not overripe. Overripe fruit loses its enzyme activity. Eat it first thing in the morning when your stomach is empty so the enzymes can enter the bloodstream without interference. One of my favorite success stories comes from Robert, a 65-year-old photographer. His cataracts threatened his career. He began each day with 1 cup of ripe papaya blended with a few of its black seeds, which contain additional antioxidants. After 8 months, his cataracts were lighter and his vision sharper. His doctor postponed the surgery indefinitely. Nature had done what medicine could not. If papaya repairs, the next fruit fortifies. 4. Oranges, the triple guardian of the aging eye. Oranges are famous for vitamin C, but that is only part of their magic. They also contain hesperidin and zeaxanthin, 2 lesser-known nutrients that strengthen the eye's blood vessels and filter harmful blue light. The human lens holds more vitamin C than any other organ in the body because it relies on it for transparency. When vitamin C levels drop, lens proteins begin to oxidize and clump together. A long-term study that monitored twins over many years found that those with higher vitamin C intake from oranges had dramatically slower cataract progression. The best way to eat an orange is whole, not juiced, so that you keep the fiber in the white pith where hesperidin lives. Choose thick-skinned navel oranges for maximum benefit. Pair your orange with a few almonds. Since vitamin E works with vitamin C to rebuild lens tissue. Jennifer, a 55-year-old graphic designer. I noticed that colors looked dull and whites appeared yellowish. Her doctor suspected early cataracts. She began eating 2 medium oranges each day, keeping some of the white pith, and added almonds to her breakfast. Within 5 months, her color perception returned to normal, and her lens clarity improved by measurable degrees. Oranges do not just refresh your morning, they can brighten your world. And yet, the next fruit packs even more concentrated protection in every small bite. 5. Kiwi, the golden shield for your lens. Kiwi may be small, but it is one of the richest sources of vitamin C on Earth. even higher than oranges. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate directly in the lens and retina to block harmful light. These nutrients act as a filter, preventing ultraviolet rays from damaging lens proteins. Researchers in New Zealand observed adults who ate 2 kiwis daily and found a significant reduction in cataract risk and slower progression in those who already had them. Golden kiwis contain the highest vitamin C levels. When eaten with a little healthy fat such as avocado or nuts, the absorption of these carotenoids increases threefold. Thomas, a 60-year-old pilot, was terrified of losing his license due to cataracts. He began eating 2 golden kiwis every morning with a few slices of avocado. After 1 year, not only had his cataracts stopped progressing, but his contrast vision had improved. He was cleared to keep flying. Proof that sometimes the smallest fruit can preserve the biggest dreams. Still, there is a fruit that can outperform even kiwi in protecting and restoring your lens. 6. Blueberries, the repair kit for damaged lenses. Blueberries are tiny but powerful. They contain 15 distinct anthocyanins that each target a different stage of cataract formation. These compounds do not merely block damage, they help repair it by reversing the process of glycation, where sugars attach to lens proteins and make them stiff and opaque. A Japanese research project that tracked thousands of adults over more than a decade found that those who ate 1 cup of blueberries daily were far less likely to require cataract surgery. Wild blueberries have twice the antioxidant content of cultivated ones and should be your first choice. Frozen wild blueberries are even better for absorption because freezing breaks down the cell walls, releasing more nutrients. Eat your blueberries with plain yogurt or kefir to improve absorption and stabilize the antioxidants. Avoid combining them with iron-rich foods, which can reduce their effectiveness. 1 cup a day is ideal, half in the morning and half in the evening, to keep the antioxidants circulating all day. Linda, a 68-year-old artist, was told she would need cataract surgery within 6 months. She started eating 1 cup of wild blueberries daily and reduced her sugar intake. A year and a half later, her cataracts had shrunk in density, and her vision had improved so much that her doctor canceled the surgery. She still paints vibrant landscapes and says the world looks brighter than ever. But now, we reach the fruit that outperforms them all. A tiny berry with an ancient legacy and modern scientific validation. 7. Goji berries, the ultimate cataract fighter. Goji berries, also called wolfberries, have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But modern research has finally revealed why. They contain the highest levels of zeaxanthin found in any natural food, 200 times higher than oranges. Zeaxanthin directly targets the lens, forming a protective barrier against light-induced damage and oxidative stress. What makes goji berries extraordinary is not only their nutrient content, but also their ability to trigger your body's own defense system. They contain a compound known as Lycium barbarum polysaccharides that stimulate the production of internal antioxidant enzymes. This means that even after digestion, your body continues producing protection for hours. A 20-year community study in Western China followed nearly 4,000 adults. Those who ate a small handful of dried goji berries daily had significantly fewer cataracts and, in early cases, partial reversal of lens opacity. To maximize absorption, soak dried goji berries in warm water for about 10 minutes before eating them. The water turns into a golden tea rich in nutrients. Do not throw it away. David, a 71-year-old engineer, was scheduled for cataract surgery, but asked his doctor for 3 months to try natural therapy. He began eating a handful of soaked organic goji berries each morning, drinking the soaking water, and avoiding processed foods. 3 months later, his ophthalmologist found measurable improvement in both eyes. 2 years later, he continues to maintain clear vision without surgery. Goji berries are not magic. They are biology, working in harmony with nature. Doctor's final words: these 7 fruits, apples, grapes, papaya, oranges, kiwi, blueberries, and goji berries each play a unique role in restoring clarity and strength to aging eyes. Together, they create a nutritional shield more powerful than any supplement. While surgery may still be necessary for advanced cataracts, many early cases can be slowed, stopped, or even gently reversed with consistent natural nourishment. The evidence is not hidden anymore. Nature gives us the medicine our eyes have been waiting for. Now, let me leave you with this. Your body still remembers how to heal. Every bite of fruit that you choose with purpose tells your body, I am ready to protect my vision. Start with 1 or 2 of these fruits each day and build your own healing routine. Pair it with hydration, sunlight protection, and regular rest. I encourage you to download the Senior Eye Health Tracker app linked below. It helps you log your meals, track your screen time, and receive daily reminders for hydration and fruit intake. Thousands of seniors are already using it to maintain a strong, clear vision. The app is free while spots remain open, so take advantage of it today. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these fruits are you already eating? And which one will you try first? Have you or someone you know gone through cataract surgery? What was the experience like? Share your stories in the comments so that we can support one another in this journey toward brighter vision. If you found this video inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, protecting your eyes is protecting your freedom. Vision is the light through which your heart sees the world. Keep that light shining bright. Your trusted eye specialist, wishing you health, clarity, and the joy of seeing life in all its colors. Until next time, take care of your eyes and stay strong.